Tibi style keys are unique in the way they are cut by code. Both Jaguar and Ford use these style of keys. The only difference being Jaguar has an 8-space version and Ford has a 6-space version. Jaguar uses cuts 1, 3, and 4. Ford uses cuts 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ford has 6 spaces with 4 cuts in each position for a total of 24 cuts. Jaguar has 8 spaces with 4 cuts in each position for a total of 32 cuts. Insert the key blank into the adapter with the tip in the tip guide. Turn the blank right to left until you feel the blank come to a soft stop. There's a ball detent that determines the start position. Tighten the key blank down into the adapter using the Allen wrench provided. Put the supplied spacer washer onto the cutter shaft, then mount the cutter. Using the nut provided with the adapter, tighten the spacer and cutter onto the cutter shaft. Insert the card, in this case C2093, into the lens. Insert the plunger cap over the plunger. The machine is now ready to cut the key. Insert the adapter into the A-jaw and slide all of the way to the right until the adapter touches the pivot arm. Make sure the adapter is seated flat in the jaw. Tighten down the wing nut. With the blank mounted in the adapter, the start position can be determined visually by looking into the hole with the mounting screw. With the mounting screw centered, we are at the position for a number 1 cut. There are 2 marks on the body of the adapter, a dot for the Jaguar 8 cut and a line for the Ford 6 cut. On the collar, there are a series of lines indicating the angle of a cut. When a key blank is locked into the adapter, the collar is turned to the next line to cut the next angle. Since there are 2 identical sides to the key, there are matching markings for angle cuts on the other side of the adapter collar. Tibi key depths are all equal. The angle of the cuts on the key blank are different. There are 2 flats on both sides of the key. Each side will have 2 angled cuts. All of these angles on both sides represent 1 cut. Turn the machine on and move the space crank to the first space. Turn the adapter angle indicator collar to the first desired cut angle. Move the depth crank in until the needle reaches the depth mark, then back it out. Rotate the key to the opposite side of the flat. Move the depth crank to the depth mark, and repeat this procedure for the remaining 2 cuts on the other side of the key. The HPC Tibby key adapter kit comes with everything you need to cut high-profit Tibby keys, including the adapter, slaughter cutter, 2 Allen wrenches, and a code card for all Blitz and Switch Blitz series key machines. Fast, easy, accurate, and economical, this adapter will be a valuable addition to your cutting equipment.